You'll have to excuse me for getting into this box, but try and keep it G-rated around here. My BMW is now a real BMW. This is not a sponsored, none of this is sponsored. I paid for this with my own money. It's a scratch and dent sale kind of deal, so, you know, you get what you pay for. I know why I bought this. It is a oil cooler guard, or as perhaps the Dutch might want it to be known as, it is an oil cooler rooster. Which I think is funny, whether it's actually what it's meant to sound like or what. But to me, roost, yes, hi Poppy. Roost comes from the rear of the bike. It's it's what's lining the back of my license plate mount right there, and what the dog is currently sniffing. Is that any good? Mud. Yes, delicious. But it's weird. Like it's roosted. It's in fact the same stuff here as it is there, although much less interesting and smelly. Go figure. I'm not a beagle, so what do I know? But you know, maybe it's something that I choose to see what it is, or maybe I'm actually reading it correctly as a linguistics nerd, and you know, it's just how translations work. Maybe, I don't know. But this belongs here, and it is intended to, you know, filter out most of the book look that is. To mount the Ollie Cooler Rooster, you need merely one tool and about 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3.5. You need everyone's favorite 5mm Allen key, the T30 Torx. You have to undo this one and that one over there, and you put the dingus where it belongs. Bob's your auntie. Now, before all you purists start moaning and complaining that, why are you putting parts on it's a used part, alright? It's a used part. It's visibly damaged, and it's on a bike that's going to be going off-road on a semi-regular basis anyways. What difference does it make? Not that anyone actually watches these videos. The fact that I got 120 views on the last video is impressive. That's merely because I posted it to the RnineT owner's website forum, which, if you're not familiar, fantastic resource. I'll do the thing in the thing below. If you have an RnineT and you're not on that forum, you're doing yourself a disservice. Get on it. Fantastic. Also, as far as torque specs, I am a fan of German engineering, clearly. But I subscribe to the universal German torque spec of Güldenkeit. I can feel the cafe. I can just go to Starbucks. I can taste the Starbucks. Yes, a true BMW now. It never goes off-road. No. I just go to Starbucks.